What if I told you that your next financial advisor might not be a person at all? Or that your budgeting app could become smarter than even the most seasoned accountants? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's actually happening right now, and it's all thanks to artificial intelligence. Welcome back to Inside Finance. If you're passionate about staying ahead in the world of personal finance and want to keep up with the latest trends, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our updates. Today, we're diving deep into how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing personal finance. This technology is not just a buzzword. It's transforming how we manage our money in ways that are both exciting and revolutionary. So, how exactly is AI reshaping personal finance? Let's break it down. First up, AI in budgeting and expense tracking. Think about your current budgeting process. Is it something you dread or find a bit cumbersome? If so, you're not alone. Many people struggle with traditional budgeting methods, but AI is changing the game. Modern budgeting apps powered by AI are designed to make managing your finances easier and more intuitive. These apps use AI to analyze your spending patterns and categorize your expenses automatically. Instead of manually tracking each expense and dealing with endless receipts, these tools do the heavy lifting for you. They provide a clear overview of where your money is going and offer practical ways to save. But that's not all. AI-driven budgeting tools use machine learning algorithms to predict future spending based on your past behavior. This means they can forecast potential expenses and offer insights to help you stay on track. For example, if the app notices that you're overspending in a certain category, it will alert you and suggest adjustments to your budget. This proactive approach helps you make informed decisions and avoid financial pitfalls. Next, AI and investment strategies. Investing can often feel like navigating a maze. With so many variables and uncertainties, making the right investment choices can be overwhelming. Here's where AI-powered robo-advisors come into play. These advanced tools, offered by companies, use sophisticated algorithms to analyze market data and create personalized investment portfolios. Robo-advisors work around the clock, using real-time data to optimize your investment strategy based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and market conditions. They take the guesswork out of investing, providing recommendations that align with your objectives. This means you can enjoy the benefits of professional investment management without needing to be a finance expert yourself. The beauty of AI in investing is its ability to adapt. As market conditions change, robo-advisors adjust your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your goals. This dynamic approach helps you stay on top of your investments and respond to market fluctuations in real time. Now, let's talk about AI and fraud detection and security. With the rise of digital transactions, the risk of fraud has increased significantly. But don't worry, AI is here to help. Modern AI systems are designed to detect and prevent fraudulent activity by analyzing patterns and identifying anomalies in real time. These systems monitor your transactions for unusual behavior, such as unexpected large purchases or transactions from unfamiliar locations. If something seems off, the AI flags it and takes immediate action to protect your financial information. This proactive approach to security means fewer headaches for you and a much safer financial experience. AI-powered fraud detection systems also learn and improve over time. As they process more data, they become better at recognizing new types of fraud and adapting their strategies to stay ahead of potential threats. This continuous improvement helps keep your financial information secure and reduces the risk of unauthorized access. So, what does this all mean for you? Embracing AI in your personal finance journey offers several advantages. AI-powered tools can make managing your money smarter, easier, and more secure. They provide valuable insights, automate tedious tasks, and help you stay on top of your financial goals. However, while AI provides powerful tools and recommendations, it's essential to stay informed and make decisions that are right for your unique financial situation. The key is to use AI as a complement to your own financial knowledge and intuition. While these tools can offer valuable assistance, your personal financial goals and circumstances should always guide your decisions. Have you tried any AI-powered financial tools or apps? We'd love to hear about your experiences. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video eye-opening and helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for tuning into Inside Finance. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips on managing your money and staying ahead of financial trends. Until next time, stay smart and stay financially savvy.